Ciao. What's going on, everybody? Deuce Pesic here with episode 41 of 365. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today. Awesome Sunday. I just got to tell you, I'm going to keep this real short and brief. But man, the excitement that world changers are making day after day. Today, congratulate Sir Richard Branson on Unity 22, taking a flight to 280,000 feet, right to space. Man, that was mind-blowing. All in like 17 minutes. You know, from the time it was dropped off, the Eve carrier unit just shot straight up into space and hung out up there for about 4 minutes, weightless. Got back in their seats, glided back home. Man, how exciting! Wow. But anyway, you know, along those lines, that gives us so much hope and inspiration to pursue our own goals. If it doesn't, I don't know what will. This type of marvelous achievement is just absolutely fantastic. But I just wanted to share my thoughts on that. Absolute wow, you know. But y'all have a great rest of the Sunday. You know, keep pushing for your own dreams, because when they come through, it's going to be better than anything you could imagine. As Charles Bukowski says, you will ride life straight to perfect laughter. It's the only good fight there is. Amen to that. Y'all be good. Have a great Sunday. Make your plans up for crushing your week ahead. Y'all have a great one. And again, remember, we are one people, one earth. Cheers.